At the end of this video, you'll see my rocket game created by JavaScript. At first, I was like, what game should I make to improve my JavaScript skills? And some freaking rocket pop up on my mind. I write some code for basic left and right moving and some random obstacles that come from top. Then the rocket needs some game over text for each collision with obstacle. So I add more code for doing that. Until now it was easy. Next I add 5 levels to game. First stage is level 0 when you start the game. Obstacles come down with fast velocity and you need to evade them. You can reach level 1 by gaining 15 scores. For level 1 I make the velocity slower and just duplicate the obstacles. In level 2 I add a boss who for trembling attacks. Also, rocket needs to attack boss. Nice. Now I can kill it. In level 3 you will encounter some big obstacles and it's not easy to evade those. But level 4 is more harder. Level 4 is final boss with combination of all attacks and obstacles. After you clear the boss, you will go to level 5. The last and endless level. After finishing the game code, I just need some music, background and graphics. I can do a little pixel art, so I open the aspirate and start the round. Then I choose my music. And this is the result. Yeah, that's it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Let me know.